In this video, I show you a time lapse of how to draw ocean waves. I also give background focus lessons to my students in my drawing membership Animal Art Club. And this is an insight into one of my lessons. I explain a bit what I do and on what I focus in my drawing lessons. So enjoy watching. If you're a beginner, then I invite you to download my free beginner's guide. It's a PDF. You can find the link below in the description, and you will receive a lot of tips and tricks for your start drawing with pastels. Here I'm drawing the sketch with a light gray pastel pencil. I love to use the pit pastel pencils from Pastel. They are harder. And then I plot in here a bit of a turquoise color and blend it and add darker turquoise colors. I have a look at the reference photo and see where do I see the lighter turquoise, where do I see the darker blues and turquoise, and add then darks and highlights. I try to bring in here different values and also then lighter strokes and stains, and always compare with the reference photo. Also bring in very darks like black and then go over again with highlights. I like to start with a mid-tone and go in with darks and then go in with lights again and draw layer by layer and add all the details I can see in reference photo. When you're drawing with pastels and would like to create realistic portraits, it is important that you really bring in different values, really focus on the lights and on the darks. Don't be shy to bring in contrast. Don't be shy, use dark colors and then also lights. Here then I go in with black here and draw these little waves. And then also some blended with a paper stamp and add with white or a light cold gray some more highlights and fine details everywhere. I build up every portrait I draw, if it is an animal or here such a background focus lesson that I'm drawing in my membership Animal Art Club in my drawing school. A background lesson, I always really focus on drawing many layers and bring in a lot of different colors and highlights and darks. Here I have drawn that foam on the wave, and then it's going here into drawing the water behind the wave with dark blues and black and lighter highlights again. So I also give my students some background drawing lessons to improve their skills, to up-level their, to develop also drawing backgrounds. Always blend the layers well, that you really can draw many layers on top. The pastel matte paper allows a lot of these layers. This is so fun to draw. I highly recommend to invest in high quality pastel paper. I love to use pastel matte from Clairefontaine. And adding final details then, many little strokes and dots and little lines between. Here some dots on the foam. Finalize the portrait or the drawing here. It is fun to draw such focus drawing studies. Okay, so this was a quick time lapse how to draw ocean waves. If you would like to see more of my videos, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, subscribe to my YouTube channel here, and then I see you in the next video.